Ever wonder why ants matter so much? Or how you could actually use these tiny creatures to teach big lessons about nature and teamwork? We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities, and here are 10 fascinating ways to teach others about ants' importance. Number 1. Try building a DIY ant farm. Grab a clear plastic box, some sand, and a few ants. Watching them dig tunnels and organize their own little society is seriously cool and makes teamwork look easy. Number 2. Get into ant-themed storytelling. Kids especially love hearing about how ants build bridges with their bodies or talk using smells. Plus, acting out ant jobs makes the science stick without anyone even realizing they're learning. Number 3. Organize an ant hunt in your backyard or local park. All you need are magnifying glasses and maybe a clipboard. And suddenly, everyone's a scientist, spotting different species and seeing firsthand how ants keep nature running smoothly. Number 4. Go artsy with ant projects. Drawing, painting, or making ant trails with string and ink helps people see just how unique these bugs are, from their body parts to how they move and work together. Number 5. Compare ant colonies to human cities. It's wild how ants have their own jobs, from soldiers to farmers, and their tunnels are like tiny subway systems. Makes you see them less like pests and more like mini engineers. Number 6. Talk about ants fighting invasive species. Some ants are natural pest controllers, so teaching people about their role in agriculture and local ecosystems can change how we see them and our environment. Number 7. Demonstrate ant communication with scent trails. Use a sugar, water, or essential oils to mimic how ants leave messages for each other. Suddenly, the invisible world of ant talk makes total sense. Number 8. Host a community workshop. Bring folks together to build ant habitats, check out live ants under a microscope, and chat about why keeping ant colonies safe actually helps our gardens and parks. Number 9. Share what you know with brochures or blog posts. Highlight the weird and wonderful stuff, like ants building bridges or spreading plant seeds, and hand these out where folks will actually read them. Number 10. Use gardening as a teaching tool. Show people how ants aerate soil and help plants grow. Maybe even set up a side-by-side experiment to prove the point right in your own backyard. If you're thinking about creating a space for ant learning, inside or out, swing by bighomeprojects.com to find a contractor who can help you bring those wild, tiny dreams to life.